Senator Victor Umeh God, they're welcome.
I need you to have a target. I want to move more about that. What can they do? No, I get him back. Before the event, I was no have a car, additionally, or Jack, now, you, guys say, no. I get connected we have one more. Even in Naira, Namuda, come out of the one of them, all these were from
Nigeria, Senator Victor Umeh God. Some time ago, we were with you at the Women Development Center, and we gave you our blessing, and God honored it. Yes, that today, because it's destiny, that is where God has destined that you will be at this time. I read in my keynote address that in the house, red chamber, that you are the only man with the tallest cap, red cap. And God has made you a voice for Igbo nation, a voice for equity, a voice for fairness, a voice for justice. You have been a man of peace. You are grassroots. Everybody knows that. We are pleased today to honor you. It's an honor well deserved, because this is what you've been doing. And not just to honor you, but also to appoint you. Now that God has given you this platform to champion world peace, and good thing, we are backing you up from your own home state. That is where you are receiving this international appointment as a peace advocate in the category of mayor for world peace. I wish to present my address so that as we get on, we can go through it. Good evening. Last September we were together. You joined us to unveil this peace center. Awka tomorrow. I have pride of peace advocates. You are able to watch out. in a meeting, so what plan you with? And we're not going to because someone area, I am at that time. So we've talked about it. We are about to lay the foundation stone of this edifice, Peace Center here in Awka, Anambra State. And we know that you respond to that. Yes. This is the brochure for this occasion and email address. I want to invite Okebu, Professor Archbishop Chubu, Bishop Victor Umeh, Professor Salvation, please. So we request His Royal Majesty, to investiture as prestigious mayor of workers.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Peace Advocates of Nigeria, PEPOLAC, I just want to thank our big brother, the most distinguished Senator Victor Umeh God. But when I came in here, information filtered that we were missing. Papa to Umeh, Papa to Umeh. So the news filtered that he has something that he's doing in Abuja, and that as soon as he finishes, he's going to come down here. And lo and behold, then he did get on Abia, then he did get on Abia. So I don't want them for coming, and I'm asked to do a simple job. That simple job is to investiture in you this piece, mayor. This world, mayor for world peace. On behalf of the PEPOLAC, I want to take what you mean? God the Father, God the Son, and God the Holy
Ghost. Amen. It's working. I request His Royal Majesty, Igwe Dr. Chukwuemeka to present his certificate of appointment to Hamadike people as Mayor for One Peace.
Oh, Hamadike, our most distinguished senator. Carrying this flag, I feel so happy. It is something most deserving. We are not giving it to the wrong person. No. We are giving it to the person that actually deserves it. We are very proud to see that this thing is moving from an office to your office. I only urge you that wherever you are, you should place this thing with pride. So whoever comes in will see it and know that you are no ordinary person anymore. This takes you beyond the red chambers of the National Assembly, and we say congratulations. United Nations. Good. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. The national coordinator, international coordinator Nigeria, PEPOLAC, PEPOLAC, Bishop Victor Umeh God, I salute you. Your Majesties, here, left and right. Emeka, Iloro, Ezeduno, my dear brother and friends. As the second of Umeh, Igwe Emeka, Prof, Your Grace, Lordship, all the guests we have here, particularly those that came from outside Anambra State, I've greeted you on your terms. You are welcome to Anambra State. Ladies and gentlemen, I will not speak for too long, but it's just to say that I'm profoundly grateful that the international coordinator for Nigeria has kept on calling me that they wanted to come and present this award to me in my hometown. And I asked him to be patient, that we're very busy. That was even before the election. And last week again we spoke. I said, whenever I come down, I'll let you know. And the way God plans his things, we are holding a peace convention here. And I said I'll come and be part of it. And then we see the award, the plaque, as the mayor for world peace. This is a huge load on me. How to foster peace globally, not just in Nigeria or Anambra State, but worldwide. So I'm profoundly grateful for this. Like you said last year, when you held a similar conference at the ministry, I came and I represented Mr. At that time, we were in the campaigns for the 2023 general election. I received a long plaque on his behalf from you. And then I supported what you were doing. Remember that the chief of staff to the governor was also the that day, this was unfair. This project, 200 million naira. I was wondering why 200 people have not contributed 1 million naira to relieve you of this burden. But you see, if you keep working hard, one day God will provide money for very worthy causes. And this project will be realized. That day I donated. I donated and redeemed it assembly. Today, I want to encourage you to continue to champion the cause of peace through your actions and activities. I remember that day you prayed for me that I will go to the Senate because I did well in the 8th Senate. I'll be for a short stint of about 17 months, and we've done the election and I won. So your prayer was answered. The people of Anambra Central Senatorial District came out very strongly to put their votes for me. And at the end, I got 103,000 votes, 608. 103,000. That's the largest in the senatorial in the state. Senatorial district. And the person that came second got 69,000. So I was ahead of landslide. So it was a landslide victory. The BDP got 49,532. So that is it. Why I'm saying this is to show that our people yearned for my return to the Senate. It was because of the way I stood, not just for our people, but for the people of Nigeria. I championed the cause of equity and fairness and inclusiveness in that Senate at that time. And the only way you can have peace is when everybody is happy. If everybody is not happy, you inherit and harvest distrust and subversive activities that you create
crisis, and we are talking about peace in this organization. So I want to assure you that now that I've been sworn in again into the 10th Senate on the 13th of June, that you will be rest assured that my activities at that Senate for the next 4 years will promote peace. Peace. And the only way Nigeria can have peace will be if they practice equity and fairness.
And inclusiveness.
And inclusiveness. You can't do things by your own discretion. You have to consider the interests of all concerned. Put the four-way test of the rotary. In all the actions, they will be promoting global peace. This last few days, the president appointed service chiefs and decided to recirculate my videos of the motion I moved at the Senate in 2018. When I said that Nigeria cannot move on peacefully by leaving the Southeast out of its activities, that there's no way you can have 7 members in the National Defense Council and nobody from the Southeast will be there. I therefore sponsored a motion asking Buhari to reconstitute the membership of the National Defense Council. That motion was debated at the Senate and very robustly too. At the end, because of the politics of the time, the Senate President had to maneuver it for his safety. But he said that the points I made in that motion were well noted. You cannot have 7 things, the Southeast will not get 1. Even when the Constitution empowers the President to appoint any other member, aside from the statutory positions. I was happy that last week, somebody from Enugu in Enugu State was appointed Chief of Naval Staff. So with that appointment, that my motion has received the blessing needed. Sure. Because with that appointment, Rear Admiral Emmanuel has become a member of the National Defense Council. He's also now a member of the National Security Council. So that whenever those 2 organs meet, somebody from the Southeast will be there to be making contributions. That's the way to build unity of purpose and peace in Nigeria. So we'll go on and do all things like that in the next 4 years, trying to ensure that there are balances in everything we do. So that's what it is. So as the mayor of World Peace, Mayor for World Peace, United Nations Mayor for World Peace, be assured that my cap will be tall. Always look out for me during plenaries, debates. Apart from debates, through actions I've also initiated through my motions and bills to foster peaceful coexistence of Nigerians in the first place, and then the global community. That's what it is. So I thank you for this, and God bless you. I wish you success in all your programs. And as a mayor, I know that from time to time, you continue to bring me closer through invitations to your programs. For mobilized funds to assist you. I thank you very much.
Round of applause for
Thank you very much. Yes. These are ambassadors for what this plan to stay. You don't have to
let's make time.
Come on. Thank you.
The reliable, distinguished senator. We cannot thank you enough. We'll keep thanking God for you.